So here we are at the outskirts of Learning Island, and we're about to go down and see what there is on Social Island. And there's a bunch of people here, and I'm going to walk past these folks. They're all getting ready to do stuff. Every once in a while you'll see one of these guys that says to play a video, and you can click on a video as long as your media is attached, and it shows you how to do that, and you can see a tutorial. And then we are going to go down the stairs. This is a pretty big island, lots of things to explore. We're just going to go to where the clothes are. I was here a little while ago and the buy function wasn't working. So we're probably not going to buy any clothes, but we'll try. And as you go along the way, there are all these various big placards that give you information. So this is telling you about how to get $100 into tutorial money, 100 lindens, that you can spend. Doesn't seem like it's giving it to me. Alright, let's go down and see if this is fixed. When you come, you may be able to buy some clothes. Oh, there's my tutorial balance. See, it's right up there. 100 lindens. Usually your lindens are up there at the top, but for the tutorial they're right there. So let's go see if the buy clothes works. Some people who have odd clothes that I don't know where they got them, but there must be another shopping center around here. I like this. Is it going to let me buy it? Nope, the buy button is gone. Well, if you get here and there's a buy button down here, and you like this and want it, you just click on that and it will take the money out of your linden balance. Then I'll show you another trick. And if you buy clothes that you want to try on, you come to the changing room. When you click on the changing room door, it takes you to an entirely different place. And you can change your clothes up here in privacy. Nobody will come in while you're here. And when you're ready to go back, you click on exit. And you're back here. Okay. So now I'm going to show you how to search for Virtual Ability Island. When you're here, you can take all the time you want and explore absolutely everything, using your arrow keys to walk forward, or this walk-run little guide to walk forward, whatever you want to do. But what we're going to do is take you over to Virtual Ability Island and show you how to make a landmark, and show you some of the things that are there that will give you more skills, and then show you how to search for your course. And that will be in a different, oh my goodness, let's get away from that lady. It's a very interesting set of clothing. So we're going to go up here, and then we're going to stop right here on the staircase. Let's move this over. Go over here to this little looking glass and click on it. That's the search button. And if you want to come back here later, I'll show you another thing. You can click on World at the top and landmark this place. And it says Social Island. Now you can come back to this area anytime you want and explore it further. And say Close. And I'll show you how to find this again. When you click on your suitcase, that's all your inventory. It's all the stuff you own. You want to go here to My Inventory and Landmarks, and there's Social Island. Down here in the library, you have lots of other stuff too. You have other clothing and other body parts and more landmarks, mostly how to get back to different orientation places, and note cards. There's a welcome note, objects, all kinds of good junk. Okay, so what we're going to do is search for Virtual Ability Island. So we click on that down facing arrow and take places, and we type virtual ability. And we click search. And this is where we're going to go, is virtual ability. It has two places that you can click. So we'll just click on the first teleport. And there you are. And there you are. So you're clicking on teleport and teleport. And then it's heading us to virtual ability. And as you can see from these signs, this is a very special place. One of the things that they offer here is advanced tutorials with detailed information about Second Life skills. So you want to come over here for a second. Wait while everything reses in. That's the word they use for waiting for all the various parts of the image to appear. While we're waiting, this little white dot above your head means that you have the ability to speak. And all you have to do to be heard in Second Life is to click on the speak button down here. So it says click here to teleport to the orientation path, and that's where we want to go. So we're going to click there, and it took us to the orientation path. And this path is really neat. It's not very far away from where we were, but this shows you all the skills that Social Island also teaches you and some more. So it shows you how to use your viewer, move your body, gives you the map of the area, tells you about what to do if you have a Mac, how to enlarge the text on your screen and enlarge your view, gives you tasks to take a picture and do many different things. So this is a really great place to learn how to do things. And you'll meet a lot of nice people here. So now what we want to do is click on World again and landmark this place. And we are going to hang on to this spot on the orientation path. So here you see it again. Now I suggest that if you really want to go back to Social Island, you can put it up in your favorites bar by dragging it and dropping. And if you want to come back to virtual ability orientation path, you can do the same thing. Let's take it up here and drop it. And then it's up in your favorites bar, and you can just click on it to use that landmark. Okay, now we're going to go back over here so that you can check your class. And we'll do that in the next video. So I'm going to close this up. And I'm going to close off the viewer, and when we come back into Second Life, we'll click last location. So see you in the next video that will take you to your class.